Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I make the nylon headbands using a pair of these trouser socks. Now you can use like little girls' tights. I needed nude and they didn't actually have any little girls' tights in the color nude. They mostly carry pink, black, and navy and red, and I didn't find anything in an opaque color or a nude color. So I went with these. It's just a pair of trouser socks. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to cut off the band at the top of the trouser sock because that is too wide and you are just simply not going to need it. Okay? Now you can cut them using a pair of scissors or whatever you have. For this, I'm going to use a rotary cutter. Some people use cut at 1 inch. You can cut 2 inch, just depending on whatever size headband you like. It doesn't really make a difference. This was cut at 1.5, and that's what I'm going to use. And it's a pretty standard size. Wider, they're just going to be more of a roll. So I use my straight edge ruler after I mark it on a line, and I mark it at 1.5, and then I just simply run my cutter, and there you go. And cut a few of them. You could cut these with scissors. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just preference and whatever you like. So. As you get closer to the end of the sock, they do become a little smaller, so you're not going to be able to get that many out of a trouser sock as you would out of like a nylon, or out of the little girl's tights. You'll get many more. So we'll cut one more, and so you're going to get about 4 or 5 out of each sock, and you have 2. Then all you're going to do is just give it a little tug, and there you go. You have a headband. So if you're in a pinch and you need a headband quick, you don't want to wait to order one, you can make your own. And as they get worn, they do stretch out more. As for applying it, I just grabbed this really quick just to show you guys. You could put a dot of glue right on the back and then secure it with a center ribbon or center whatever you happen to be using. And there you go. You have your headband on your bow and it's ready to go. I'll go ahead and do this other one just really quick since I'm here. So you're going to just cut off that top portion. The rotary cutter makes it super easy. You just slide it over. Make one more. Really quick. There you go. So again, if you're in a pinch and you need some headbands ASAP, there you go. Hope you found this video to be helpful. Make sure and click the subscribe button. I'm going to be trying to upload at least one video every day of different items that I use in my shop. So have a great day, everyone.